In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to DocuSign. Whether you're new to electronic signature platforms or familiar with DocuSign's powerful features, knowing how to add comments can be incredibly useful for collaboration and ensuring clarity in your documents. We'll walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure you can confidently add comments in no time. First, you'll want to start by heading over to DocuSign's website. Open your web browser and type in docusign.com. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar DocuSign homepage. Next, look for the login button, which is typically located in the upper right corner. Click on that to begin signing into your account. After you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the DocuSign homepage. This is where you'll start the process of preparing a document for signature and, importantly, where you'll add your comments. On this page, you'll find various options related to document management and signature preparation. Now let's select a template. Templates in DocuSign are pre-designed formats that save you time and streamline the workflow. If you already have a specific template in mind, go ahead and select it. If not, take a moment to browse through and find one that best suits your needs. With your template selected, the next step is to click on the Next button. This will guide you to the preparation phase for your document. During this stage, you can make adjustments, add fields, and importantly, incorporate your comments. Now comes the exciting part, adding a comment. Look for the option or button labeled Add Comment. Clicking this will allow you to insert any notes or additional information directly onto the document. Adding comments is a great way to provide context, ask questions, or highlight important sections that need attention from others involved. Remember, comments can be edited later, so you're not locked into what you first enter. You can also delete comments if needed, ensuring that your document remains clean and organized. Once you've added your comments and any other necessary fields, you can proceed with finalizing and sending the document for signatures, and there you have it. Adding comments in DocuSign is a straightforward process that enhances your ability to communicate and collaborate effectively. Whether you're revising a contract, seeking additional feedback, or clarifying details, knowing how to add comments can significantly improve your document management process. Thanks for watching and happy creating.